lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Well, fish right here. So right now I'll be preparing lunch, and yes, it's leftover matooke. This was supposed to be breakfast actually, but I didn't have time to prepare breakfast today, so I've decided to shift it to lunch. And so let's prepare. So if you're always having leftover matooke and you're wondering how to use it, stick right here and you see how I prepare mine. So right here we have our vegetables. I'll be using carrots, onions, tomatoes and green pepper. And then our matooke, I'll just slice it into small pieces. Really small biteable pieces. So just like that, we're done with the slicing part. I think all these are edible pieces. That's it. So now we are done preparing everything. Our saucepan is already on fire, so I'll go ahead and add cooking oil. And then I'll add in the onions. I'll then add in the rest of the vegetables. And salt to soften the tomatoes quickly. Leftover matooke is very good for breakfast. You wake up and prepare like this for your family and everyone will enjoy. Now the tomatoes are almost ready. I'll go ahead and add in curry powder. Royco. Chili flakes. And then masala spices. So these are all optional. You can just add salt and that's it. So now I'll add in the matooke. So at this stage we need little fire because we don't want our food to burn. And then add in some little water. And then cover and let it cook until all the matooke is warm enough or hot enough. Look at that. So our food is now ready. It's time for serving before it dries out completely. Our lunch is ready. It's eating time. So we have some nice avocado here, and this is the very best thing of being in the village. I like the aroma of this food. I like the aroma coming out of this food. It's just awesome. Look at that. So that's enough for me. I'll cover the rest and keep it for others. We have plenty of avocado, so we can eat as much as we want. This is really nice. I hope from now on you'll not throw away your leftover matooke. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly, if you're new, please consider subscribing to my channel. Like this video, share, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. See you in the next one. Ciao.